Welcome back to our AI Ethics series. Lesson 8, AI in Decision-Making, Autonomy, Control, and Human Oversight. Today we're diving deep into one of the most important topics in artificial intelligence. Who makes the decisions, the machine or the human? Let's begin. Imagine an AI deciding who gets a loan, which surgery a patient receives, or even launching a military drone. Who's really in control? In this lesson, you'll learn how machines make critical decisions, where human oversight comes in, and how to strike the right balance between autonomy and control. Before we dive in further, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a lesson in this AI ethics series. And if you'd like to go deeper, including access to exclusive content, behind-the-scenes material, and extended learning, join our membership program. When machines make decisions that impact real lives, from loans to legal cases, we need to understand how those decisions are made. That's why transparency isn't just a technical feature, it's an ethical foundation. Let's explore what happens when AI operates in the dark and why we need a clear, explainable system to maintain fairness and trust. One of the most significant challenges with AI is the black box problem. Many AI systems, particularly those based on deep learning, operate in ways that are opaque even to their creators. We can see the data that goes in, and we see the decision that comes out. But the actual decision-making process, the logic by which the AI arrived at its conclusion, remains hidden. This lack of transparency raises serious concerns about accountability. If we don't understand how an AI system is making decisions, how can we be sure those decisions are fair, unbiased, and just? How can we identify and correct errors or biases that may be built into the system, intentionally or unintentionally? Transparency is not just a technical challenge, it is a moral imperative. Autonomy is what makes AI powerful. It allows machines to analyze data, make decisions, and act without waiting for human input. But when a system becomes too autonomous, it raises serious concerns. What if it makes a biased or harmful choice? Who's responsible if something goes wrong? Now imagine the other extreme, full human control. While that sounds safe, it can slow down innovation and limit AI's potential. So what's the answer? It's not one or the other. It's balance. The ethical sweet spot is where AI can act with speed intelligence, but humans remain in control of the outcome. Think of AI as a co-pilot. It can steer, suggest, and optimize, but the human is still at control and always has the final say. That's how we unlock the benefits of autonomy without giving up oversight or accountability. Let's ground this in reality. AI isn't just theory anymore. It's operating in high-stakes environments where every decision matters. Some stories show us the potential of AI when used responsibly. Others reveal the risks when human oversight is missing. Case Study 1. Success in Healthcare. In radiology, AI-powered systems have been trained to detect early signs of cancer. These tools analyze thousands of scans with incredible speed and accuracy, often flagging issues a human might miss. But here's the key. When these systems are used with human doctors, the results are impressive. There are fewer false positives, faster diagnoses, and better patient outcomes. The AI isn't replacing the doctor. It's acting as a second set of eyes. That's responsible collaboration. Case Study 2. Failure in the Justice System. Now let's look at a failure, one that sparked major ethical concerns. The Compass algorithm used in U.S. courts was designed to predict how likely someone was to commit another crime. Judges used it to help decide bail and sentencing. But investigations revealed it was twice as likely to label black defendants as high risk compared to white defendants, even when the facts didn't support it. The worst part? Nobody could explain how it worked. The algorithm was a black box. No transparency, no accountability, and no way for people to challenge the results. So what do these cases teach us? That AI's impact depends entirely on how it's used and who is guiding it. In healthcare, human oversight amplifies the strength of AI. In justice, the lack of oversight led to serious harm and public distrust. The takeaway? AI can be brilliant or dangerous depending on how we design it, supervise it, and hold it accountable. So far, we have explored the risks and responsibilities of AI in decision-making. But what if we could build ethical thinking right into the system, from the start? That's the goal of Ethical by Design AI. It's not enough to fix problems after they happen. We need to prevent harm before it occurs by baking in principles that guide how the system thinks, learns, and acts. Here are 4 key pillars for ethical AI design. 1. Transparency. We must be able to understand how AI arrives at a decision. Whether it's approving a mortgage or recommending medical treatment, the logic behind every outcome must be explainable to humans. If a system can't be explained, it can't be trusted. 1. Accountability. Someone, a real human, must be responsible for what the AI does. It is not enough to say, the algorithm decided. Behind every system should be a team ready to answer for its choice and improve its performance. 1. Bias, detection and mitigation. AI learns from data, and if that data reflects societal biases, the AI will absorb them and potentially amplify them. That's why ethical AI must include regular audits. Are certain groups treated unfairly? Are predictions skewed by race, gender, or location? We need tools that can detect and reduce bias at every step. 1. Human-in-the-loop design. Even the smartest system should never operate completely alone. There must always be an option for human review, especially in high-stakes environments like healthcare, law enforcement, or hiring. Humans should be able to pause, question, or override the system when needed. Ethical design isn't just a checkbox, it's a mindset. When we build AI with transparency, accountability, fairness, and oversight, we create systems that serve people, not replace them. That's what responsible AI looks like. We've seen the risks, we've seen the rewards, and we've seen the choices that shape them both. AI is transforming how decisions are made in healthcare, finance, security, and more. But there's one thing AI can never replace: human judgment, because data alone can't define what's right. Only people, guided by ethics, empathy, and accountability, can make truly responsible choices. So what does the future look like? It looks like this: machines doing the heavy lifting, people setting the rules, AI enhancing decisions, not making them in isolation. It's not about stopping AI, it's about steering it, with values, vision, and vigilance. That's how we protect fairness, transparency, and trust, no matter how powerful our tools become. In our next lesson, we'll shift focus to the human side of this relationship. Lesson 9 is titled The Human-AI Relationship, From Assistant to Collaborator. We'll look at how AI is becoming more than a tool. It's becoming a true partner. What does it mean to work with AI? And where do we draw the line between helpful support and overdependence? Join us next time as we uncover how humans and intelligent systems can build a better future together. Thanks for watching today's lesson. If this helped you better understand how AI makes decisions and how we can guide it ethically, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss what's next. We're building an entire series focused on AI, ethics, and the future of human-AI collaboration. Your support helps us reach more learners and shape more informed conversations around technology. If you're ready to go deeper, join our membership program for access to exclusive content, extended lessons, and downloadable learning resources. Let's grow this community of thoughtful, ethical creators together. Subscribe, join, and be the human behind the algorithm.